Want to check whether your iPhone is hacked or not? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily check whether your phone is hacked or not. First thing first, you should know that there is no any direct way to check whether your phone is hacked or not, but still there is an alternative. First, check whether if you have any suspicious application on your device. If you find any of the applications suspicious, then tap on hold it and click on remove app. Once again, tap on delete app. Click on delete. Once it has been deleted, now what you need to do is try resetting your device. Click on volume up button and then side button. Press and hold it until it restarts your device. Once it has been restarted, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of the device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple ID at the top. Click on sign in and security. In this page, you have to make sure the Apple ID and the phone number that you have entered must be yours and must be verified as well. If you find anything suspicious here, then click on change password. Enter the passcode of your device. Now from here, you can easily change your password and then tap on continue. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.